Timo the word scout enters into a field where all the flowers are bright yellow except one. One flower is bright blue, standing out from the rest. A new word, anomaly, describes something unusual or different from what is expected. Anomaly means something that is unusual or does not fit the pattern. Timo looks closely at the blue flower, wondering why it's different. Everything else follows the same pattern, but this one is really rare. Since other flower follows the same yellow pattern, the single blue flower stands out clearly, catches Timo's attention. Timo realizes that sometimes things don't match what people normally expect to happen. Something unusual or out of place is an anomaly. Timo remembers that anomaly is easy to notice because it seems unusual or unexpected.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.